Now we discussed what an arithmetic sequence is in theory. Now let's implement it. With this example, it says here we have to find the first four terms of the following arithmetic sequence. The first four terms are obviously A1, A2, A3, and A4. A1 is already given to us, that's 5. And in this everlasting arithmetic sequence, these three consecutive terms are given to us. Now, we have to find A1, A2, A3, and A4 using this information given. Now, remember that in arithmetic sequence, the common difference, or D, that's the first thing you have to find. So, the common difference is applicable for all consecutive terms. Every consecutive term in the arithmetic sequence, every two consecutive terms in the arithmetic sequence will always have the same common difference. So the difference between 23 and 26 is 3. The difference between 26 and 29 is also 3. So D is equal to 3. The common difference is 3. Now, using this information and the fact that A1 is equal to 5, we have to find A2, A3, and A4. Now, A2 comes after A1, so it is the consecutive term after A1. So A2 is equal to obviously A1 plus D. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. That's A2. A3 is the consecutive term after A2. So A3 is equal to A2 plus D. So that's 8 plus 3, and that is 11. A4 is the consecutive term after A3. So A4 is equal to A3 plus D, and that is equal to 11 plus 3, so 14. Now we have A1, A2, A3, and A4. 5, 8, 11, and 14. So these are the first four terms of the sequence given to us. Now we have another question. It says here that A5 is equal to 17 and A9 is equal to 37. Now we have to find the first four terms of the arithmetic sequence. Well, how will we do that? A5 is equal to 17. Now you must remember the formula that we have for finding a specific term. So that formula is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Now, obviously, what will a5 be equal? A5 will be equal to a1 plus 5 minus 1 into d, which will be equal to a1 plus 4d. And that's what we've done here. So a1 plus 4d is equal to 17. Now, a9 is also given to us, and obviously a9 will be equal to, what will that be equal to? A1 plus 9 minus 1, which will be equal to 8d. So a1 plus 8d is equal to 37. Now we have two simultaneous equations, and we'll solve them to find the value of d. So when we do that, when we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, we get 4d is equal to 20. So basically subtract these two, and from that you get basically a1 minus a1, that's equal to 0. And basically basically we'll subtract this equation from this equation. So a1 minus a1 is equal to 0, and 8 minus 4 will be equal to 4d, ad minus 4d, and 37 minus 17 will be equal to 20. So 4d is equal to 20. That's what we have here. So we find the value of d, which is 5. Now that we have the value of d, we can find the first four terms. Simple. When we put d is equal to 5 in equation 1, we get the value of a1. Oops, sorry, it's getting a bit messy here. Now, we've been given that a1 plus 4d is equal to 17. So a1 plus 4 into 5, which is d, and that is equal to 17. Now we have the value of a1, which is equal to minus 3. Now that we have this value of a1, we can just simply find the value of a2 because it is the consecutive term after a1. So a2 is equal to a1 plus d, which is equal to minus 3 plus 5, and that's equal to 2. And we'll have the same procedure for a2, a3, and a4. So that's how you find the four consecutive terms for the first four consecutive terms for this particular example.